Hi, I'm Kelly Balamuth with Balamuth Law. Welcome to my social media minute on estate planning. Today we're going to talk briefly about things to consider if you've recently been divorced. There are documents that you will want to revisit, or if you've never had them before, have prepared if you're going through a divorce. Those documents include your power of attorney. A power of attorney names a person who can act in your place if you're unable to act on your own with regard to your finances. For instance, if you become incapacitated and are unable to write a check or go to your bank, a power of attorney allows the person that you name to do that on your behalf. When you're getting divorced, if you have a power of attorney, you've probably got your prior spouse named, and so you probably want to make a change to that designation. The second thing that you should consider when going through a divorce is changing the beneficiaries, or at least reviewing the beneficiary designations for your various assets. A beneficiary is somebody who gets something at a particular time. For instance, a life insurance policy. If you have a life insurance policy on your own life, you name beneficiaries, and they're the ones that receive the funds if you pass away. So when you go through divorce, you definitely want to consider revisiting who the beneficiaries are for your various assets. Another thing you want to do is create a new will. When you go through a divorce, it's important to have a new will. And if you haven't had a will before, to make one. And finally, you want to either amend an existing trust or create a new trust. Oftentimes when people are married, they create a trust together. If that's the case, then you will want to redo a trust entirely so that you have your own. Sometimes couples have trusts, they'll each have their own separate trust. If that's the case, yours may be able to just be amended, or if a significant amount of time has passed, you may want that to be restated as well. So those are 4 major things that you want to consider when going through a divorce. Please feel free to give me a call at 925-254-1234 to discuss your specific situation.